Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so they can talk. On your Android, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. This lets your Mac authenticate commands and file access. Next, plug a known good data cable into the phone and Mac. Charging only cables won't work. On the Mac, install Android File Transfer for MTP or set up ADB if you plan to run commands. Once done, unlock the phone and change the USB mode to File Transfer so the system recognizes storage. With basics in place, focus on the middle steps that actually move data. Open Android File Transfer to browse internal storage. Drag and drop photos, videos, or documents. If you installed ADB, connect via USB and accept the RSA key prompt on the phone so the Mac is authorized. Run a DB devices to confirm. Use a DB pull to copy large folders or a DB push to install files into app-specific locations. Make sure to change the phone's USB mode back to File Transfer each session for consistent performance. Finish by closing transfers and unmounting storage so you don't corrupt data. Use the eject option in Android File Transfer or Finder before unplugging. If you prefer cable-free work, enable Wi-Fi ADB. Connect both devices to the same network, then use a DB TCP/IP 5555 and a DB Connect phone IP. Finally, if the connection fails, check one key troubleshooting item. Swap the cable and ensure USB mode is file transfer. Then reboot both devices and reinstall Android File.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.